Cardinal Heating and Air Conditioning. What? It's here already? All hands and feet on deck, everyone. It's Socktober!
It's Socktober! Every year, Cardinal Heating teams up with Card's Closet to collect brand new pairs of socks the entire month of October. You can donate socks for all ages in all sizes as long as they're brand new.
Did you know that socks are the most requested yet least donated item for those who need them most? With your help, we can keep some Prairie supplied with socks for the next year. You can help out tremendously by sharing this video with your friends and family on social media. Let's get the word out and make this the most successful Socktober yet.
Get involved in helping your community by donating brand new pairs of socks. You can drop them off at our office or hand them to one of our technicians out in the field the entire month of October.
Bring in your socks, red socks, green socks, blue socks. You can make a positive impact in the Sun Prairie community by sharing this video with everyone you know on social media. Let's all pull together and make this Socktober a huge success. Red socks, green socks, blue socks, any kinds of socks, doesn't matter what size.